Jamaica, watch
You quoted
this.
me for an 8 a.m. move. Not true.
That is true. That's true.
And now it is 10 a.m. Not true.
Oh, no, it's only 9:17.
No. You're already cutting at the hour. At 10 o'clock now.
Oh, yeah, it is 10. You're right. Look, just shave 2 hours off our quote, and then we'll just get right to it. But, hey, I did notice on the way in, a lot of these lockers are already pulled out. That was our job, right?
I know you say you'll come here 8 o'clock in the morning.
Yes, Mommy.
No, don't do that.
Okay.
When me look round and say you never reach, me give away the job. Them take away your food.
Who?
I gave it to a company that understands punctuality.
Who? Where are they?
Everett, come here. Let me tell you something. Come here. You see the man who remains hungry? Him never have to beg for your plate.
Tell him again, Cynthia.
Lennox!
See, well, glad to see you.
Not much, man. I'm glad to see you.
Long time.
Glad to see you.